In this video, we are going to look at installing the Nearpod add-on inside of Google Slides. You can add activities from Nearpod right inside Google Slides. First, you'll want to click Add-ons in the top toolbar. Then you'll click Get Add-ons further down the list. When the search option opens up, you can type Nearpod in the search bar. You can see I have Nearpod already listed on my screen right here. But if you don't see it, you can just type in Nearpod up here. When this opens up, you can click on the blue icon or the blue slide, and you will see the option to install it. You'll say continue. It'll give you another pop-up block, and it will have you confirm your Northside teacher account. You just click OK. And on the next screen, you'll click Allow. Sorry. Now it's going to load. Nearpod has been installed, which is awesome. You can click Done. I'll click the Close button. And now when I come back to add-ons, I'm going to see the Nearpod option, and I can open Nearpod right here from Google Slides to insert activities. Because this is an add-on inside of Google Slides, this will transfer from device to device. I'm here on my desktop computer and I have installed the add-on. If I were to jump on my laptop at home, I would still see this add-on available to me. Thanks for joining me for installing the Google Slides add-on for Nearpod.